Incremental routines. So you know, Supermemo is closed source, has been around for more than 3 decades. Now his creator, Piotr Wozniak, is getting old. I think now he's 62. And you may worry, what happens to Supermemo if eventually Wozniak passes away? It's a valid concern. I also had this concern. This is the page from Supermemopedia from some years ago. And one of the worries is about the future proof of the collection. I have a video on that, how you can future proof your Supermemo collection, so you know exactly what is lost, what there's no way you can export, at least in the vanilla experience, without any hacky third-party solution. So with XML you can import a lot of stuff, but not all. Actually, it's been a long while. I wanted to record this video, but I do it now because I have more information that is not there. Meaning that I have some private information that Wozniak shared with me, which obviously I'm not going to share with you, but just let's say the conclusion. There's nothing to worry about. End of line. Whatever it is has been thought already. So I hope there's a long life to Piotr Wozniak, but as a human, eventually we will die. So I have no concern. That doesn't mean it's beautiful and it's the best case scenario. No, it's not. But at least I know what I can do or what I cannot do. Well, I mean, obviously I can do it, but it will be trapped in Supermemo in my collection. So concerns about the feature of Supermemo, worries about the software, that is more or less the same question. Even though there's some other layer that, okay, let's say that I still have access, so I can have Supermemo 19 forever, let's say. But yeah, what happens is that the computers will evolve, Windows will be, Windows what? Windows 10 or 11, they will become obsolete. So then, yeah, I could use Supermemo within a virtual machine, I guess, something like that. That every time will be more problematic to keep using it. And then if I want to import, I won't be able to import from Chrome or whatever, how it is today, because it will change in the future, as it have happened with Internet Explorer across 20 years. Imagine in 20 years what will happen. So I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that in 20 years, we won't need space repetition at all. Not how we perceive it now. And see for incremental reading. You know the next big thing. So there was space repetition. Oh, the next big thing is incremental reading. It's a superset. Then, okay, now with AI and technology, we can have the next big thing. That is a superset of incremental reading. So, it's not any proof, it's just an opinion, but I'm pretty sure that even in the worst case, that the company falls, whatever, and Supermemo stays like a fossil, let's say, no worries, because eventually there will be something, the next big thing. Then it's okay, we don't have Supermemo, but what about it? We don't need it. We have something much better already. Imagine that Supermemo was, in 1999, with just a space repetition, just before introducing incremental reading. Yes, hey, we have this. And imagine this is open source today. Oh wow, we have the entire Supermemo code for this, but yeah, it doesn't have incremental reading. Yes, it's an algorithm. Let's pretend it's better than FSRS today. Good to know. But we have something better already today. So imagine more or less this thing, that whatever this happens, Wozniak passes away, we will already have something in the next big thing. So the concern is, in the meantime, I'm a slave of a very old user interface and many technical limitations because I keep using Supermemo. Why I keep using Supermemo? Because today, 2024, there's no alternative. If for your flow, that incremental reading thing app is good enough for you, good. But for a true incremental reader, there's no alternative. There's no priority queue in any other platform. So with just that, this annihilates any possibility. So remember, whatever that is, that I'm making a really effort to not hint the information I have that is not public. Don't worry, this will happen. This event cannot be prevented. It's a matter of time. But whatever it happens, it won't be as bad as you think it is, or it will be not redundant, but we will have the next big thing. So it will be good to have, good to know, good to see, but not required. And just to let you know, even now that I think of, to make my point, I expressed the idea of his passing like it was a number in Excel, super cold. It's not like that. So for me, it will mark what's called in English, a tipping point. In case I sound super cold in this video, I think that will be the case. So nothing more to add. See you incrementally. Long life to the king.